Ugh, I think I've officially become a salted fish. 一条咸鱼了. Wait, what? Why a salted fish? 咸鱼. Welcome back to 舌尖上的中文, where we make Chinese slang your secret weapon. Blame this classic line from the movie Shaolin Soccer.
做人如果没有梦想，和咸鱼有什么区别呢？
If a person has no dreams, how are they different from a washed-up nobody? In Cantonese, sen yu originally meant, well, a dead fish. Not very lively. But now, it's the perfect word for someone who just doesn't feel like doing anything. Like that coworker who never does their job? Yep, office salted fish. A true sen yu.
他简直就是办公室里的一条咸鱼，整天游手好闲。
He's totally the office slacker, just floating through the day. All they do is sip tea and slack off. They've mastered the art of quiet quitting. But hold up, Shan Yu isn't always bad. If someone married rich and lives stress-free, we call them a Shan Yu 女孩.
她真是咸鱼女孩，老公是富二代，完全没有生活压力。
She's living the dream, zero pressure, just vibes. But here's the twist. Shan Yu isn't totally hopeless. If you say, 我要咸鱼翻身, it means you want to turn things around. And hey, why do some salted fish succeed while others just stick to the pan? 因为你忘了加油? Literally add oil, but it also means go for it. Don't just lie there. Make your move. All right, quick recap. Shan Yu is the ultimate lazy mode, perfect for when you're feeling unmotivated, slacking off, or just vibing with zero ambition. It can be self-mocking, a playful roast, or even a goal if you want to. 咸鱼翻身. So, are you embracing the 咸鱼 life or flipping the script? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun Chinese buzzwords. Catch you next time.